Namaskar friends, myself Deepak Kumar Rath. I welcome you to the digital media of Uday India. In India Things, I want to tell you about Bhutan's evolving relationship with China. Implications for India. Friends, a small change in geopolitics can have a big impact on the complex web of international relations. The Himalayas are presently seeing a similar rippling effect even as Bhutan's Kim Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk is currently visited India. And although the apparent goal of the visit was to foster diplomatic and economic cooperation, the unsaid issue of Bhutan's border conflict with China lingered, drawing New Delhi into a complex game of geopolitical calculations. It is not by coincidence that King Wangchuk is visiting at this time. A few weeks ago, Tandi Dorji, the foreign minister of Bhutan, returned from a grand success journey that was culminated in the signing of a historic cooperation agreement between China and his home country. The Himalayan nation of Bhutan has historically maintained a close relationship with Bharat, a partnership rooted in shared cultural heritage, strategic proximity and defense cooperation. However, recent developments suggest a subtle shift in Bhutan's diplomatic orientation with signs of a closer engagement with China. This evolving relationship raises concern in Bharat given its own complex and long-standing border dispute with China. Historical ties and strategic relevance, if I will say, Bhutan and India's relationship can be traced back to 19th century when British India established a protectorate over Bhutan, and this agreement continued after Bharat's independence in 1947 and Bhutan became a sovereign nation with India's sphere of influence. The two countries share a long border and have a mutual defense agreement with India providing military training and equipment to Bhutan. Bhutan's strategic location nestled between India and China has heightened its importance for both powers. Bharat views Bhutan as a buffer state protecting its northeastern flank from Chinese influence. Conversely, China sees Bhutan as a potential entry point into India's strategic space. Shifts in diplomatic normalization in recent years, there have been indications of a growing reapproachment between Bhutan and China. In 2018, the two countries held their first substantive border negotiations, paving the way for future discussions. China has also extended economic assistance to Bhutan, including infrastructure development projects. These developments have not gone unnoticed in Bharat. The officials of Bharat have expressed concern over the potential for China to gain influence in Bhutan that could impact Bharat's strategic interest in that region. Implications for India's security, that is, a closer relationship between Bhutan and China could have several implications for India's security. Increased Chinese presence in Bhutan could directly threaten India's border security and raise fears of Chinese military encroachment. Moreover, a pro-China Bhutan could weaken Bharat's influence in the region, making it more difficult to counter Chinese ambitions in South Asia. Now I will tell the economic implications. Friends, economic dependence, increased Chinese investment and economic ties could lead to Bhutan becoming more economically dependent on China, This dependency could give China more leverage over Bhutan's foreign policy decisions. Now, trade imbalances. If Bhutan's trade with China grows significantly, it could lead to trade imbalances and reliance on Chinese imports that could again hurt Bhutan's domestic industries. Now, infrastructure development. Chinese infrastructure projects in Bhutan could be beneficial in the short term, but they could also create long term debt burdens and environmental concerns. Now, I will tell what would be the political implications. Erosion of Indian influence. A closer relationship between Bhutan and China could erode India's influence in Bhutanese politics, and this could lead to Bhutan making decisions that are not in Bharat's best interest. It is very obvious. Now, regional instability. A shift in Bhutan's foreign policy could destabilize in the region, and it make it more difficult to manage other regional issues such as ongoing border dispute between Bharat and China. Now, what would be the geopolitical tensions? A closer Bhutan-China relationship could heighten geopolitical tensions between India and China, potentially leading to increased militarization in that region. Now, social and cultural implications. Cultural influences, mainly increased exposure to Chinese culture, could lead to changes in Bhutanese society, potentially diluting the country's unique cultural identity. Also, I want to tell you the environmental impact. Friends, large scale infrastructure projects and increased trade with China could have significant environmental impacts such as deforestation and pollution. Also, there is a concern of human rights. China's record on human rights raises concerns about the potential for Bhutan's human rights situation to deteriorate if it becomes closer to China. So, overall, the implications of Bhutan inching closer to China are complex and far-reaching. So, Bharat needs to carefully consider these implications and develop a strategy to protect its own interest while respecting Bhutan's sovereignty and right to choose its own forest policy path. Bharat's response and balancing act. Bharat has not passive in the face of Bhutan's evolving relationship with China. So, it has intensified its own diplomatic engagement with Bhutan, seeking to reassure it for its support and commitment to their security partnership. Bharat has also continued to provide military assistance to Bhutan and has enhanced cooperation with it on border security matters. However, Bharat faces a delicate balancing act. Bharat needs to maintain close ties with Bhutan while also avoiding actions that could alienate Bhutan or push it further into Chinese embrace. Bharat also needs to manage its own complex relationship with China while ensuring that Bhutan remains a strategic partner. Now, what are the way forward? Friends, shared responsibility, a sustainable solution for India and Bhutan's security concern that lies in a shared approach with both the countries working together to manage their relations with China and ensure their own security. And this may involve strengthening their bilateral ties, enhancing joint border management mechanisms and engaging China in a constructive dialogue to address their overlapping interests. India and Bhutan's shared history, cultural ties and strategic proximity provide a strong foundation for collaboration. By working together effectively, they can navigate the challenges posed by China and safeguard their own security interests. Friends, I explained you in detail about the current evolving relationship between Bhutan and China and what should Bharat do on the changing scenario to have a balancing act between Bharat and Bhutan. That's all for today. Stay tuned with Uday India and never ever forget to subscribe Uday India because you are our only supporters, well wishers. Your subscription, your support would definitely inspire us to do more for our own nation as Uday India always stands for the nation that is Bharat.